People know you are a great lawyer, but maybe you feel like there's something missing to become even more memorable. Have you ever thought about getting your personal logo? When you establish and unify your visual identity, you start creating a personal brand, which is important to your image as a professional lawyer. With PlaceIt's Logo Maker, it's about minutes to create an iconic logo design to promote yourself, without any designer or any complex software. Let me show you. Okay, first step. Go to placeit.net and go to the logo section to select the category that you're looking for. In this case, I am going to choose law firms. You can use this tool right here to write down the name of your firm or your own name and have an idea of how it could look. Take your time to choose the template you think will work best for your brand. Step 2. This is my favorite one. Start designing. Here's the name that I wrote before, but you can edit it over and over again. You can change the font style and a color on each of the 3 text boxes. Use them all, or you can use only a few, depending on the weight that you want to give to each part of the text. Click on the check boxes next to the text input to activate or deactivate a text line. Underneath, choose a type font and a color. By clicking Layout, you can have a total different look to your logo. Choose the one that catches your eye. Now you can pick an icon that matches your style and what do you want to communicate. Feel free to play around with all of them. Change the color of the graphic to your liking. Finally, choose the color of the background. And the final step is download your new logo. Get your logo by clicking this blue button here. You'll get 2 files. One with the background you selected and a transparent background version of your logo for you to place it everywhere you want to. But with the unlimited subscription, you can get all the mockups that you wish for only $29 a month. What about making your brand recognizable by promoting it? You can drop this logo into a business card or even a flyer and make people be able to know you and keep you as their first option. As your career develops, you'll need to stand out from the crowd and have a solid identity. What a great logo can do is help your customers develop an affinity for you. So go ahead and try it for yourself. Personalize your logo super quickly without having to leave your browser or hire someone else. Take a chance at designing your own brand image.